Hello, my name is Nguyễn Hoàng Phúc. Today I'm gonna be presenting my project, my work project, student management system, representing Team 11 in Java technology. We are excited to present our project, a student information management system. We have utilized cutting-edge technology such as Java Swing. Java Swing is a popular toolkit for creating graphical user interface (GUI) in Java. It allows us to build interactive and visually appealing applications, enhancing the user experience. JDBC or Java Database Connectivity serves as the bridge between Java programming and relational database. With JDBC, we seamlessly interacted with our chosen database and showing smooth data management. MySQL is our chosen relational database management system. It provides a robust, scalable platform for storing and retrieving student information effectively. Our goal, making the student information management a visa for school. Imagine a system that streamlines student data effectively, boosts school administrative efficiency. Overall, make handling student information a smoother process. Now, to start the project, you need to activate exam app control panel and then click on Start onto Apache and MySQL. Then you need to go to localhost MySQL, mypp, containing in the project folder there will be a database.txt file. That file is used to start the database, to create the database, and create all the necessary table in the database. Also, we will be inserting inside the database a user in the table user management, an admin user with the username admin and the password admin. Now click on go and we have created the database. Now go to the project in the com down folder. There will be a connection config file. In that file, I need you to change the connection URL based on your machine and the driver cache name based on your machine. If you have a password, please change the password string. If you have a username, then please change the username string. To start now first, to start the project, you just need to go to the main folder, then click on login. Run the login main folder, then the application will run. Now to log into the application, just simply in the account username, type in admin, and for the password, type also in admin. Login, and then you will be logging to the application. Now the user of the application can change the profile picture. Just simply click on the profile picture, choose an image in your computer, and click open. It will start by left clicking on your profile. A menu, once the desired image is selected, the profile picture will automatically update and reflect the user preference. To export the list of system user, navigate to the user section within the application. Here, a variety of user management options are available. Currently, the user table is empty, so let's create some user depopulated. To add a new user, simply just click on the Add User button to initiate the user creation process. Enter user detail including username, password, profile, profile picture, age, phone number, and the status of the user. If, if it is set active box status, the user cannot log into the system. Let's add 3 more users for demonstration purposes. One, the user added various cool operation create weak, update delete operation become accessible. Delete remove a user by clicking the delete button. Update modify user detail via the edit button. View user history. You can click on the view button to view the history, a login history of the user. Additionally, user can be searched based on multiple criteria, providing a flexible and efficient way to manage and find user. Section 4. Now I want to locate the student management. Navigate to the student section of the application. Currently, there are no students in the system, so actually for demonstration purposes. Yeah. When all students are added, various cool operations become available. Delete remove a student by clicking on the delete button. Update modify a student detail via the edit button. Click on view button, open a detailed student information page. You can also sort student based on various criteria such as beginning year, and ID. You can also find student can also be found based on attributes like major, department, offering a comprehensive search functionality. I will now locate the student detail and certificate. Let's export the student detail page by clicking on the view icon next to the student. To add a new certificate, click on the Add Certificate button. I will now add two more certificates for demonstration purposes. After certificate are added, you can perform quick operation deleting a certificate, modify certificate, detail with the edit button, viewing certificate details. Now I'm gonna showcase the report, data import and export intake application. Go to the report panel, go to export to link, export the certificate. You can also import a certificate. You can see our certificate have been exported. You can also import a certificate. The import must be in this type of format with the ID. You can keep the ID empty or not. The ID can be automatically generated when the student enters the system. Import the certificate file. You can see the certificate have been the student have been added to the system. You can also export the certificate. And you can also import the certificate. They get the format that the certificate should be imported in with the string ID that are currently in the system and the grade, the issue date, entry date, and the name of the subject. Five years. Right? Now import the certificate into the system. Now, now I will showcase the user role and restriction. Open the project again. Recording with manager permission. Static admin. As we can see, we don't have any uh, We don't have the user section because manager registered from entering the user section. We can only do operation based on the student, and we can also change our profile picture. We can add a student and have all the other cool operation on the student as well. Now I'm working with the employee privilege. Employee can only see the student detail and the certificate details and cannot perform any other operation on the student. And also the employee can change the profile picture. That. That is all for my presentation, and I hope that you are doing well.